Drag your desired image to Photoshop. Resize it until you're satisfied. Press W in your keyboard or click this icon to activate the Magic Wand tool. Click on the object that you want to select, then right-click, select Similar. Press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus Shift plus V to copy and paste the selected object in the exact position. You can also select multiple objects by pressing the Shift key in your keyboard. Then press Ctrl plus C then Ctrl plus Shift plus V to copy and paste the selection. You can also modify the tolerance to maximize